designer lamp look without the designer price. I've been slowly trying to make our home feel warmer and more collected, and I knew this little corner needed something with character. I took the $7 thrifted vase with the perfect identical shape to turn it into a vase inspired by these two McGee & Co. items for a fraction of the cost. My goal was for it to look timeless, not crafty. First, prepping my surface by sanding what I believe the previous owner spray painted on, this dark turquoise color. Before adding 2 layers of primer. Adding 3 light coats of the texture spray paint and waiting a full day of drying before each layer. Next, adding light coats of spray paint in the color espresso. I added hints of matte black spray paint in little areas, not too much before spraying on the matte clear top coat. At this point, I wasn't sure how to add the rechargeable bulb. Decided on inserting this cylinder glass vase I had. And actually taping the bulb to an unused candle holder. Before adding the lampshade on top. Such a small change, but it made this corner feel so much more cozy and intentional.